The Multistate Bar Examination, MBE statistics for the past 10 years show various trends in mean-scaled scores, number of examinees, and pass rates. Here are some key points. 1. Mean-scaled scores. The mean-scaled scores for the July administrations typically hover around 140. For example, the national mean for July 2023 was 140.5, slightly up from 140.3 in July 2022 and 140.4 in July 2021. The February administrations generally have lower mean-scaled scores. In February 2022, the mean was 132.6, similar to the 132.6 in February 2020, with a slight dip to 134.0 in February 2021. 2. Number of examinees. The number of examinees has varied, with a noticeable decline during the pandemic. In July 2022, about 44,705 candidates took the MBE, down from 45,872 in July 2021. February administrations saw fewer candidates, with 16,504 examinees in February 2022 compared to 16,759 in February 2021 and 19,122 in February 2020. 3. Pass rates and reliability. The pass rates and score distributions tend to vary by jurisdiction, even when the national mean scores remain stable. The reliability of the exam has consistently been high, with a reliability score of 0.94 for July 2023, reflecting consistent and dependable results across administrations. The implementation of the Uniform Bar Examination, UBE, has influenced these statistics. The UBE allows examinees to transfer scores between jurisdictions, potentially reducing the number of repeat test takers in February administrations.